Welcome to 360 Catering and Events YouTube channel. This is Cody Hickman. I'm your chef. And what we're going to do is, on National Peanut Butter Day, we're going to be peanut butter waffles with a little banana on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with our flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And we're just going to mix that in. I'm going to do that with my hands real quick. Doesn't take but a couple seconds. After that, I'm going to get my butter, melted butter. You got to use melted butter if you want it to be hot, because then you have your peanut butter. And if you want to go a little healthier, you can always use almond butter or any of your favorite healthier butters. I'm just going to let that kind of get in there and loosen the butter up. See how it's starting to dissolve into the melted butter? Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then we're going to add in our eggs. Buttermilk. You gotta have buttermilk. It's just gonna make a lot better flavor. It's also gonna help with not getting too thick as well. So now that you have that nice and smooth, it doesn't take very long, as you tell. I'm gonna slowly put in my flour mix. And just let that bowl naturally spin if you need to, if you want to. No wrong moves on that. A little more flour. Now we're going to put this in a waffle mixer, or a waffle maker, I mean. This is a 4-ounce portion. And I'm just going to put it right in the middle. And I've got a double waffle maker, so when trying to escape a little bit on me. When I squeeze this on here, it's just gonna squeeze it into its natural round shape. I'm gonna lock it, I'm gonna spin it, and we're gonna do one more. Put that right on top. Here we go, and then I'll be back in just a few moments to show you the finished product. So here we are back with our peanut butter waffles. We're going to put a little butter on them. Some bananas, because I don't know what else goes better with peanut butter than bananas. Some hot maple syrup. And why don't we just fancy it up just a little bit more with some white powdered sugar to make it look fancy. A little show off. So there you go, guys. Our banana peanut butter waffles. Hope you enjoy them. They will be a little thicker in the batter, just to let you know, a little tip for you, because of the peanut butter. So don't get worried about that. They'll cook right out. Our recipes on 360cateringevents.com. And again, we're available anytime you need catering help.